Hi, my name is Irkanat and I am the founder of our AA sales automation startup. We are building our product directly on Lovable, where we are already developing our MVP, generating real revenue and actively using the platform's infrastructure. But our goal is to grow this into a full standalone SaaS application with deep AA integrations. What we are building is very simple. Small and medium business waste huge amounts of time and money on sales, conversations, advertising, and lead management. They answer the same questions every day, run ads with little feedback, and lose leads because of slow responses. Our platform solves this problem. We fully automate customer conversation on WhatsApp. Our AI sales bot responds instantly, qualifies leads, handles objections, and converts conversation into sales 24 and 7. At the same time, we connect directly to Facebook ads, allowing businesses to launch and manage their ads in minutes while AI monitors and optimizations campaigns. In just 6 months, we have reached $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue. We're already helping business sell smarter and scale faster. What drives me personally is the opportunity to give small business tools that were previously only available to big corporations and to do it globally with the power of AI. Thank you very much.